Yeah, man. Back in on another series, man, of truths, of uh, fate and life. Yeah, man. Still reasoning grounded, man, upon the same concept. You see, open up the truth that man don't wanna see, also don't wanna hear. So, I open the platform for that thing. You see, yeah. But again, without hesitation, excuse for the noise also in the background. You see, but again, without hesitation. I would be grounding my consciousness there kulaa ncwadi yaserome yabo. So most of the time I think bathi rayithwe nguPaul. I don't care who's the man write the book, man, because the concept is not about him. It's about the truth that he writes. Yeah, see, yeah, because we are not here for celebrities also. So okay, xa siyapha ku-1 la we sithi 16 yabo, isihloko phaa sithi the righteous shall live by faith. Yeah, see. So we already explained most nonobana who is the creator, and unless if when now you have your own way of seeing the same thing or a different thing, you see, then you will have it in that way. Ebangeli nonobana ke ngofound but okay, nah man, what the man is talking about is not for us because ayabanga marasto kanye ubani bazi, then you can go in that way. But for those who find the truth and see the light, man, and seek the creator of life, this is what I'm reasoning for. So this man here is reasoning another truth, talking about the righteous, as he said, for I am not ashamed of the gospel, for it is the power of the creator for salvation of everyone who believes. You see, we are not talking for the Muslims or for the Christians or for the baptized or for the asikho lapho. Lo mzalwana akekho kulo concept. The concept here is talking about the believers, those who see the moon in the sky not falling and know the creator exists, those who see the movement of the ants and birds, the concept of life in all things, those ones talking to them, those who are the believers because they have seen. Yeah, see, xa siya ke ngopha ku-17 it says, for in the righteousness of the creator it is revealed from faith for faith, as it is written, the righteous shall live by faith. Yes. So without making a video long for today, yabo, this is the clear concept that makes you not to be confused when you see I and I doing all these things. You marvel, but yeah, why the brother is opening up the scripture, but he also perfects all here. Reason. Yeah, we are not talking of Christianity, we are not in religion. Yes, we talk of the righteous. You see, if you are created, you are either good or you are either evil. So that is where we are at. So we don't want to confuse. So we said in this time of the creator, the righteous shall live by faith. You see? So this is that time, you see, of the righteous to live by faith. You see? There are no temples in this time. You see? Yeah, we are the temples of He who is unseen, the living one within I and I. Yeah, see? So this is that time we were talking about. Anyway, without making the video long, man, also the noise background and crowd. Give thanks for everything that is good, man, for the eyes that sees the light, because the lips of wisdom are open to the ears of understanding. So we give thanks and praise for all that is good. Sila.